Hi guys, Crowbinsgate here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some new items I got for a train show I went to yesterday. And I am back from my small vacation with my hotel video. That was just temporary. That was just a small thing which I probably won't do for a long time until I'm on my next vacation. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you some of the new wooden rail items I got. Well, all of them, but yeah. I need to just bring them in. There's some of them. Alright, let's start off with this track here. With all these. I'll start from the back and get to the front. Here's a baggage car. It's the red variant. I think there's a green variant, I'm pretty sure. Let me see what year it's from. 2003. Yep. There's a red baggage car. It says baggage car on the bottom. That's it. Here's a blue man quarry truck. Let's see what it says on the bottom. BMQ Charleston truck. Yeah, I got a Charleston truck. Well, actually, I got multiple trucks, but yeah. Here's the year this one's from. 2012, the wheels say. It says BMQ on the side. Has the blue slate, a face. Let me just get that in the light. So you can see it. You know, it's time for the engine that was pulling this small train. Stepney. And there's like two different versions of Stepney. The only Stepney that was there was this one. They didn't have the older one, which I prefer, but this is better than having no Stepney. Right? But anyways. Yeah, he's painted yellow with a white roof. Not the best faces. It says Stepney on the side with the number 55. It says Stepney on the bottom. Let's see what year it's from. It's from 2003. 2003 is the with my wooden range I had the most of. Like I have a Derek, a Thomas, Mavis, Fergus, a bunch of other stuff. Alright, Sydney, get back into your track. And I'll bring over the next line. Alright, go over here. Alright, here it is. I'll start with the back, like I did with Stepney. Alright. And is a dockside crane. Dock cargo crane. Yeah, it's a crane. It's a green crane that's by the docks. Also, this is my dock set. It's the docks. You'll see who's running it later. Yeah, this is a crane. It can turn. Its crane can't go too far, but it'll just probably be in the background or just pulling this thing. Yeah, there's some hazard stripes. Let's get in the light so you can see it better. Some hazard stripes is the number 81978. And onto its car. It says caution at the end here. It has this really tiny crate, which this crane can connect to. I like this car a lot. It looks cool. Yeah. The other side is the same number. It says caution, stay back on the back. Alright. And for the next thing. I need some flower power. And here's some flour. Yeah, it's a tipper car, so you can do stuff like this. Like you can tip it, and it'll fall out. Let me just get that back in there. Yeah, it's just kind of a small car. Yellow for the tipper, blue for the ends, green for the chassis, and yeah. Not much to it, but still, it's kind of cool. And the year on this is... Let's check it quick. 2012. Also, I forgot to check what the year that crane was, so let's check that real quick. $2003. I want to buy 2003 collection. Alright, time for another car, then the engine itself. A box car. These have been used a lot for customs and such. Because like Papa Paxton made some of his into ninjas. Wait, no, never mind. He didn't use this one. He used the Dark Dad in Disguise. Forget about that. Yeah, it's yellow there, green in the middle, and also the door opens, which shows cargo, and does the same on the other side. Top, bottom says box car. And you check the year. It says 2000. Same year by James. Finally, he ain't the only 2000 win railway out of my own. Yeah, that's really it. Alright, it's time to welcome Stanley. Yep, I got Stanley. I personally prefer the newest version of Stanley in the wooden railway form, like the 2017 or 2016 one. It looks better in my opinion, but I like this one too. This is my second favorite, or if there is a second or third or whatever. Yeah, it says Stanley on the side. Cool bunkers. Silver smoke box. Face which needs eyebrows, but don't have them. Red wheels. That. His cab. Let me see what year he is. He is 2003. Yeah, another 2003. Well, goodbye, Stanley. See you later. Welcome, Stanley. Alright. I'll just get him back into his proper sign. Now we got into the last train. That's in the sidings, but there is more after this. Alright. Bring in the dockside shunter. And his train. Alright. Alright, I'll start with the back. It's sort of like a caboose. But most of you that are watching this video know about the sort of line caboose. There's a silver line on the side. It looks cool. It's a silver line caboose. Which I'm just gonna call it right here because it's AM in America. Let me see what year this is made in. Another 2003. Well, that's really it for this guy. Alright. Time for some explosions. Dynamite car, aka blasting cap car. Yeah, this is Dynamite. Brendan May Blasting Cap Company. Yeah, some blasting caps, aka Dynamite. It's green. That's green. They're one of my favorite colors. This is blasting cap on the bottom. Let's see what year it is. And yet again, another 2003. Here's this blasting cap on the side. That's really with that. And so with some of these are Mayad faces, possibly. I don't know. And here's a Tidmouth milk tanker. Yeah. It says Tidmouth milk on the side. It ain't the rare milk tanker like some people have collected. I think it's for Germany milk. Like how you say milk in Germany. Pretty sure. Not sure. I tried learning German, but I never got to milk. So yeah. Alright, anyways. The front the where you put the milk in, cap, whatever. Yeah. See about milk thing. Let me see what year it's from. Yet again, another 2003. Yeah. Seems like the person I bought these from had a lot of 2003s. Here is a Crowbinsgate Mining Car, aka coal car. It has coal in it, which goes with another thing I bought, turns out, which you'll see later. It says coal car on the bottom. Let me see what year it's from. It is from 2012. 2012. And it says Crowbinsgate Mining Company, or Co. short. It has the bar things, like the sport or something. There's the back and the front, bottom. Yeah. The coal, which is a magnet on it. So, cool. That's that. Alright, I go in. Down by the docks. Here's down by the docks himself, aka Salty. Yeah, I got Salty, finally. In Moonrise Farm, I had Tommy and Adventures, which is that talking pirate one. I had the wooden one, and the preferred version that I like. Because of the space here. Just look at the face. As soon as it unblurs. Just look at that face. Yeah, it's Salty. Salty inside. Some of his head stripes are messed up. His number 2991. His back. His other side. And his face. Let's see what year he's from. Probably another 2003, I'm guessing. And yep, that's another 2003. Man, 2003 was a good year for Wind Railway, it seems. Only 2007. With the lead paint crazes. Well, Salty, you wanna go now? Yarr, let's go! Get going, you trucks! Yeah, most of the engines that belong in the sidings. But now we'll be having some more engines that don't have trucks with them. Ran one of the troublemakers. D199. Yep, I got a D199. He's pretty nice. He has a yellow face, which I like. And this is the version of D199 that I like. Not the early one that looks like D101, aka Bear. Not the weird looking Mattel one with the weird face. This is my Span Can. Well, in my series, it would be called Ted. Because I have a Span Can as a coach. Yeah. He's gonna be called Ted. I'll show you some of the side detail. This is D199 on the side. It has some vents, a door, and some ladders. And a British Railway symbol on the side there. A window, I'm guessing, in the middle, and some more. And on the back is number AC10, whatever that stands for. I don't know what it stands for exactly. And he has his windshield wipers, or window wipers, or whatever. His yellow face. The top. Let me see what year he's from. 2003, I'm guessing. And I was right, 2003. It says D199 on the bottom, though. Yeah, that's one of the troublemakers. Alright. D199, get the other ones. Alright. These should be fun. Bill and Ben. No, it ain't two Bills or one Ben. Or two Bens. Like I did with my Aryan Bird taking place. Take long. Actually, you found both of them at the same place at the same train show. Also, all these items I got from a train show, and the ones I'll show you later too. I'll start with Ben. Says his name on the side. Okay. Let me show you his face. Perfect face. Practically, yeah. The back. With the widow's peak at the back. No name on the bottom. Let's see what year this is. Ooh, another 2000. Like Jameson. Wait, was it the boxcar? I think it was. And yeah, that's Bill. Now on to Ben. Probably the same thing, just with Ben on the name. Same face. No name. Let's see what year, just to make sure. Yep, 2000. Alright, Ben, you can go over with your brother. Alright, time to get into the non-woodens, you would say. Alright, bring in the non-woodens. Wait, speak again, what are you doing here? I didn't want you. I wanted your brother. Oh, other merchandise version of you. I got an Ertl D199. And this is my first ever Thomas Ertl. I have a red car, which is actually right here. Which I use as Sir Tom Hatt's car. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, I'm about that. Ertl D199 here. Yep. And just for size comparison between the two D199s. There it is. I wish I could get loaded, but I can't really. Besides if I do this. Something like this. Yeah, that's size difference. Yeah, well, I'll show you him now. And there's some differences between the Ertl and Win one that some of you may want to know. Alright, I'll show you them together. The faces are a little different. This one's a little more, I don't like this one too much, but this one's perfect. This one's a little weird with the smile. How big it is. Also, a couple of goes through his face, but I can understand that because of how these were designed. I'll show you the side. Inside my wooden one that I just got. Yeah, probably the same detailing as the wooden. Just a little smaller / bigger. And the back window was starting to peel off a little. And there was another one in way worse condition. Like, both of the window stickers were off. Paint was all messed up. There were scratches all over the face. And a lot of the detail was gone. I think one of the couplings was broken on the front or back. So, yeah. But it is missing its 2 stickers on the back, which said AC10. But, yeah. This is my first Thomas Ertl. You know, there are some others coming later. So, yeah. But this is the first one I picked out. So, he's my first Ertl, technically. Oh. I was going to show you the bottom anyways. He has, like, 16 pairs of wheels. I don't know if that's accurate or not. I need to check what year. 1995. I'll be comparing his age to the other Ertls later. Yeah, but that's done with this guy. Won't be rolling him in the carpet because of his wheels. So, you can go over there for now. 199. And you can go over there too. You want to get out there fast. Alright, we're on the next Ertl. I hear another diesel engine. D19. I swear if you come back. Oh, it's Diesel. Hi, Diesel. Yeah, I got Devious Diesel. There's his face. There's a small nut. There's like a few scratches on his face, but not as bad as the other one that was there. Ooh, that was way worse. From here. Nope. That's Diesel. Oh, where? There you go. Makes see some of his smaller details, like the ladders, such. There's the back. It's harder to see some of the detail because he's painted black. So much hard to see. If we get really close, you can see. Where he's from. 1990. 5 years older than D199. Out of these ones I've showed you so far, he's the oldest. But I have a few more that may rival that. Well, let's go, Diesel. Alright. Time for... I'll go with this one now. Here it comes. Oliver. Well, I'll just bring in Diesel for a size comparison. Yeah, Oliver's tiny. And there was a toad there, but I didn't end up purchasing him. And if you ever seen an Oliver Ertl and a toad Ertl right next to each other, or back, like, he's coupled them, you will notice the difference. Definitely. Yeah, but there's something I like about this Oliver. He has a right running board. He don't have pan buffers like Diesel. And I don't know what this thing with all Olivers and Earl, but his eyes are a little weird. That's not the windows. Stickers are still there. His yellow safety valve thing. Whistle. Dome. Top feed, I think that is. Right in front of the dome. And the GWR and the 11 on him are so tiny, especially the GWR. They're so tiny. And he does have some nudges on him, like marks. And he has these 2 huge wheels and the 1 small one, which is accurate, and most rolls are accurate. I'm not sure about D199 and such. There's his bunker and cab. Black Bolt Freedom. I don't know if there was stickers, but yeah. There's the coal. His back windows. Yeah, he's probably my smallest turtle, which ain't hard to beat. Yeah. Something wrong with tallest small, but yeah. Yeah, just the size. Well, I go into the other ones. Well, I'll go with this one first. Coldy, the mountain engine. Yep, I got Earl Coldy. Sadly, they didn't have a Godrid, which would have been amazing to have, but yeah. Wait, let me bring the proper track for him. There we go. Much, much better. Yeah, Earl's... I haven't really tested this until now, but I don't think Earl's like this type of track. Let me show the other ones I've shown. He probably seems to... Yeah, their balls are scratching against, especially with D199 with that mill thing. These will go on fine. You see Oliver. Oliver likes to go on it fine. Yeah, back to Coley. Yeah, there's so much detail in such a small engine. There's always like cylinders and things. I don't know how that he works exactly. This is Coley, number 4. And like another YouTuber said that he don't upload on his channel anymore. GWR Studios. I like that they made his cab windows open. They could have just easily blacked it out like he said. And heck over that. But no, they made it open. And he has a almost perfect face. His stickers are still there, even his whistle. I'll show you the back in better light. Also, if you don't know about the Coilfield engines, they have a face on the back and the front. There it is. Let me just somewhere. Right. There we go. One of the eyes is off, it seems. But yeah. Number 4. And I will be using this if I ever need to film anything with Coilfield. It was probably him, though. Probably, yeah. Yeah, but sorry, Coldy. These are ears from. 1995, like, spay cam. So, wait, I forgot to check the year on Oliver. 1993 on Oliver. So, Diesel is the oldest out of all of them. So far. I still have one more. Yeah, that's Coldy. Had to be in the final hurdle. And remember how I said it would just probably be Coldy? Yeah, I lied. I got Lord Harry, but no, I ain't lying. There wasn't any Goddard there. But I got Lord Harry. AKA Patrick, but I'm still gonna call him Lord Harry because I like that name better. So yeah. There's so much more detail on him than Coldy, I think, anyways. I'll show you his face. There seems like there remains of eyebrows, but I'm not sure if there was or not. The buffer is just like Coldy, because I don't even know if they have buffers or not. This is Lord Harry, number 6, and the builder's plate or whatever. And they have the open cab, just like Coldy. And this complex cylinder thing. And that thing on top, which I don't know what it is, and at the back. And his dome, his funnel. And his face. Which I think they got the face practically perfect on him in the number 6. And let me show you where he's from. 1997. So Diesel is my oldest turtle. Wait, let me just check the car real